So we are at base camp right now, Mount Everest base camp, Chomolungma base camp, and behind us you can see the majestic mountain, the highest mountain in the world, and it belongs to the Tibetan people. This is Tibet. I'm a Tibetan, and this is my land. The Chinese government has no right to be here. If you look over there, you can see a couple of tents. Those are tents put up by the Chinese government, getting ready for the expedition to carry the Olympic torch up to Mount Everest. You know, the Chinese government, you can carry your torch to the highest point in your own country. Carry your torch to whatever is the highest mountain in your own country. Don't come to Tibet. This land doesn't belong to you. For the past 50 years, you have bruised this land. Blood is coming out of this land. You have hurt the people who own this land. The Tibetans have lived on this land for generations and generations.